Hello, creative friends, and welcome to the Stampin' Squad. My name is Cheryl, and today I wanted to share with you some cards that were sent in by all the participants of my recent card swap. So we've got 12 of them. 12 people chose to participate and send in 12 cards. And then each person got back a variety of cards. So that was super fun. I think everybody really enjoyed it. And so I just wanted to show you some of the fun and unique cards that were sent in for the swap. This first one is really pretty. I love this, these yellow daisies. And it's a birthday card, wishing you the brightest birthday. And it's got some really pretty pearl embellishments on there. So that was the first one. The second one is a holiday card, a Christmas card. It says, "May your season be cozy." And I don't know if you can see this, but there's also some red glitter on here, which is super fun. And it's a fun fold, which I always love. You can see maybe a little bit of glitter sprinkled in there as well. Really cute. All right, number 3. This beautiful card. I love this paper, and this person colored in this really pretty image. I love that, the sun and the waves there, super pretty. And on the inside, it says, "Because you're awesome." So thinking of you because you're awesome. Third card, if you like purple, you're gonna love this card. Again, some really nice designer series paper, embellishments. I love it. And then look on the inside, how cute is this? This really adorable otter. Okay, next, another holiday card. And this one is very special with this embossed foil around the edges. It looks like a hand-colored snowman. Lots of really pretty embellishments there. And this one, I think, opens this way. Here we go. Sending you blessings, peace, and magic this Christmas season. Love that one. Next, this is also a great card. Hello, friend. So it's a bookbind card, so it's another fun fold. And there we are with more beautiful designer series paper on the inside. Next, this one has lots of die cutting, and this is embossed with an embossing folder. So this is a really pretty autumn type card. And all of these little embellishments is very, very fancy, this one. And a little bit of DSP on the inside. Next, so pretty for winter. I love these colors. Snowflake wishes for a Merry Christmas. And that one is blank inside, so you can write whatever you like, but that is gorgeous. Next, this one is so fun with the smiling sun on there, and another fun fold. So lots of folks opted to do fun folds for this swap, which I love, super cute. This one, again, some great die cutting here, beautiful designer series paper. I love that. Next, this really cute card. It's a fun fold too, I swear. So more than half of these, I think, were fun folds, which is my favorite. But really nice embossing, die cutting. The teacup with the little tea bag is so cute. There we go. And I love these colors, this gray, and I think that's Tahitian Tide color combination. Works so well together. And this is the last one. It's also a Christmas card. It's also a bookbind or storybook card. Love all these gingerbread ornaments. We've got some embossing here. I see some Wink Stella, so very fancy. Let your heart be light, and wishing you the hope and peace of Christ this season. So many beautiful, beautiful cards in this swap. If you weren't able to participate in the swap this time, keep watching because it was so much fun and everyone loved it. So I know we will be doing it again, trying to just kind of set these out here, but there's so many of them. I don't think I could get them all in. But I could get most of them, I think. There we go. That's it. Awesome. So, such a beautiful variety of cards. Everyone very individual, but I know everyone loved the cards that they received. So, watch this page, or you can send me a private message and include your email address. And that way I know that you want to participate in the swap next time, and I can include you with the email letting you know when we're going to do it. So that's all I have for you today. The cards were so beautiful. I just wanted to share them. So I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.